Hello everybody, I'm Mauro Martini from Sanremo, Italy. In this lesson we got to demonstrate how to use a specific compression plugin. Many thanks to Francesco Giordano who played the guitar you will hear in the lesson for his time and great advice that sends to me. I want to dedicate this lesson to Enzo Iannacci, an Italian music genius who left us today. Let's go to work. Thank you.
Right now, the goal of a compressor is to reduce the level of the loud stuff. We set a threshold and that's the point where the compressor starts reacting. Okay? As the envelope gets above that, the volume comes down. It's reduced that level. The speed that the volume moves in, how fast it's reduced the level, is your attack and your release time. In a compressor, one of the main things you are doing is trying to control that transient. Attack time controls whether the compressor brings down that initial attack or not, and if you increase the attack time, it actually lets through that transient. Okay, we can see attack here, and we can see the same release here. And if you reduce the attack time, it will stop that transient from happening. So the thing is, there are many ways in which we can use a compressor. In this lesson we take a look how it's work in a guitar recording and analyze how does it work. But it's a very complex plugin and I hope you take the time to do some experiment. Now I go to set the ratio to the maximum level for using in limiter mode. I think it's important to hear what an effect is the extreme, and then you can back off and use it in a more musical manner after a while. You see the curve change. Our transfer function is a diagonal 45 degrees. Alright? Meaning input does equal output, and right now we want to do anything to the sound. For adjusting the out, we can act to the out control. I hope you do it manually. If I want to have an impact to the sound, I have to lower my threshold, and I lower my threshold right to about here, which is just above the quiet moment in the sound. Let's see what it does. Right now, you have seen the gain reduction here. I have set the out in the right manner. Now we go to move on attack and release time. Attack is how fast does bring the volume down. With fast attack we have a fast transient, and if I increase the attack, I reducing slower, so it's letting that transient through. The release time is how long it takes the compressor to come back up after the sound has reduced below the threshold. Let's try the same thing and increase our release time. Alright? Every time we use a compressor, we work with radio, attack and release. Take the time to understand how does it work. It's a very, very complex plugin. Remember, every time you never go at the distortion zone. Thank you very much for your attention. Take the time for understand the compression plugin and make a good work. Thank you very much.